Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. To view MFC, Microsoft Foundation class, doc files in Python, you can use the Pywin32 library, which provides access to many Windows APIs, including those related to MFC. Additionally, the comtypes library can be used to work with COM objects in Python. Before you begin, make sure you have the required libraries installed. You can install them using the following commands. Now, let's create a Python script to view MFC Doc files. In this example, I'll show you how to extract text from a Word document, but you can adapt the code for other types of MFC documents. This example assumes you have a Word document, .docx, as an MFC Doc file. If you have a different type of MFC document, example Excel spreadsheet or PowerPoint presentation, you may need to adjust the code accordingly. Make sure to replace your _document_path.docx with the actual path to your MFC Doc file. Remember that this script relies on the Pywin32 and comtypes libraries, so make sure they are installed before running the script. Additionally, the paths to the required DLL files may vary based on your Microsoft Office installation, so adjust them accordingly. ChatGPT.